Hi, this is Lloyd with Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville and Dewey, Highway 75 North, and featuring today the 130 RBSC, a little small trailer, 13 foot, very lightweight. You can pull it with about anything. And I wanted to just show you inside as you look around the trailer with our 360-degree camera here. Behind is the booth. That's the booth, and it makes into a bed, of course. And then you have a couch here. You have a heater on a thermostat. You have a refrigerator, freezer, the sink, and the stove top. Lots of storage for a little trailer. Several windows in the trailer. It also has and comes with a bottle of propane. Has a nice sized closet for a small trailer, and storage above and storage below. This is the bathroom of the unit. It has a tub, an RV tub with a shower and a foot flush toilet. So you get a lot for your money. The most inexpensive RV on the market. And isn't this nice, folks? The little bathroom in the 130 RV has a real toilet, and it has a separate shower and tub. Unlike a camping bathroom, it has the real bathroom. So come and see us at Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville and Dewey, and take a look at this 130 Sportsmen RBSE. Thank you.